Welcome to JAMSTAT 2021 solution. This is question number 22. So we have given this function expectation of x. So first we have to differentiate, as it is a distribution function. We need to go to the PDF. So by derivative, so 0, 2x and 0 maintaining the same limit. So the final value is only 0 to 2 fx dx, that is equal to 1. So 2a x square by 2, 0 to 2 equal to 1. So this will give you a equal to 1 by 4. Now for the expectational value, this thing has come. For e of x will be 0 to 2 x into fx into dx. So 2 into 1 by 4 x squared dx, so 1 by 6 x cube, so that will be 8. So 4 by 3 is the answer, that is this. So a equal to 1 by 4 and expectation of x is 4/3. Final answer is this. The next question is, we have given a summational structure s and t, then which of the following is true? So s is this. So we know log of 1 plus x expansion will be useful here. X square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus x4 by 4. In alternative sign it comes. So at x equal to 4, s equal to log of 1 plus 1 by 4. Logs of 5 by 4, and so t equal to log of 5 by 4. So s equal to t. This is also, both are actually 0. So s minus t will give us 0. So option number A is correct. Now in this question, a1 equal to 5 and an plus 1 is defined in this way, then which of the following is true? So let a1 equal to 5. So an plus 1 is 3 to the power 1 by 4, an to the power 3 by 4. But obviously n greater than equal to 1. Similarly a2, 3 to the power 1 by 4, 5 to the power 3 by 4. This will give you 4.4. a3, 3 to the power 1 by 4, 4.4. So you are putting this value 3 by 4. This is giving you 3.99. So it's actually falling. So similarly in that way, an, the maximum value, so 3 by 1 by 4 and 3 to the power 3 by 4. So this will give you 3. So an has the possible values here and monotonically decreasing, and this value is this. So option number B is correct.